is the Comet Falls Trail. 3.8 round trip.
Now we're up on top of 16 Falls. Looking down back at the road. This is also the trails to Comet Falls. Water, beautiful water, never ends. Sun makes all the difference. Well, this trail looks like it's going to be mostly up. Some points, parts level off. When you're out in the sun, it's pretty hot. Hard to believe way up here, sticky going up here, but it's really hot. Alright, up by the snow a little bit. Up. Another nice one. That's a nice whitewater. It's like a resting point here. So this is not it. Hard to get a picture of the shade there. Take off the zoom. I saw one up by Mount Si last week. You ever hike up there?
Where at?
Mount Si? North End?
What?
It's in North End. There we go. You hike Skyline? Miss this sign. Some people might think this is the end. Heading back. The steps here.